Hi guys, it's tax time is finally over, and we got lots of paperwork we need to get rid of, old credit card receipts, bills, whatever not we don't need anymore. So today I was just going to do a little demonstration on how you could buy a machine or you could rent a machine and get done much quicker. So we have two equal stacks of paper here, and we're going to put some in each machine. Now the machine on the right, we had to cut the corners off because it can't take staples. This one here, you can run the staples right through the thing. So let's go ahead with our little demonstration. As you can see, I'm all done with my 100 sheets of paper, and we still got more than 60 sheets left over. So if you want to get it done quick, come on down to Bob's Rental. You can rent this machine for 40 bucks a day. It doesn't overheat. You can run the staples right through it. You can get your job done a lot faster. Or you can buy something like this and fight with it all day. So give us a call, 518-674-3958. And thanks for watching.